Hello, everyone. You're welcome to the topic dividing radical expressions. For example, we are given this question. Example one. So, we're given a question like this. We see that this question has a numerator and it has a denominator. So, to be able to simplify this, we need to be able to rationalize the denominator. So, we need to rationalize this denominator. And how do we do that? That's by using the conjugate. So what do we mean by the conjugate? So the conjugate of 4 minus root 3 is going to be 4 plus root 3. The conjugate is just you changing the sign, the expression, the mathematical sign between the two numbers for the denominator, just changing, reversing it to, if it's negative, you reverse it to positive, you change it to positive. If it's positive, you change it to negative. So another example is if we're given maybe the denominator is 5 plus root 4. So that will be 5 minus root 4. So that will be the conjugate. So that's just an example. So now going back to our question, so the conjugate, as we said, is 4 plus root 3. So we now need to use that 4 plus root 3 to multiply the numerator and the denominator here. So let's see. So that's minus 8, 4 minus root 3. We now need to multiply with the conjugate, the numerator by the conjugate, and the denominator by the conjugate. This will help us to, we're trying to eliminate the radical as much as possible. That's the root sign in the denominator. That's why we are introducing the conjugate. So expressing this, simplifying this further will be minus 8 into bracket 4 plus root 3 divided by, so we now need to multiply this, multiply by this, this multiply by this multiply by this multiply by this. So 4 multiplied by 4, then 4 multiplied by root 3 plus 4 multiplied by root 3, then minus root 3 multiplied by 4. We always want the whole number to come before the radical number. So that's why when I say root 3 multiplied by 4, I will say minus 4 root 3. I won't say minus root 3, 4. So then minus root 3 multiplied by plus root 3 will be minus root 9. Now let's simplify further. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 4 multiplied by root 3 is plus 4 root 3. Then minus 4 multiplied by root 3 is minus 4 root 3. Then square root of 9 here is 3, so minus 3. So let's simplify further. Minus 8 into bracket 4 plus root 3 all over 16. 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. Yes, we can simplify that because we have similar radicand, root 3, root 3. So because we have the similar radicand, we can say, we can simplify. And that will be 4 minus 4, which is 0. So that expression becomes 0, then our minus 3. Okay, then let's continue. Minus 8 into bracket 4 plus root 3 all over 16 minus 3, which is equals to minus 8 into brackets 4 plus root 3 over 13. So that's the answer. Let's look at another example. Example 2, 9 over root 5 minus root 15. So the conjugate here will be root 5 plus, we're changing the minus sign, plus root 15. So we use this to multiply the numerator and the denominator here. So let's rewrite this. So that will be 9 over root 5 minus root 15 multiplied by root 5 plus root 15 divided by root 5, because we are multiplying here, to plus root 15. So, which is, we can write this as 9 to bracket root 5 plus root 15 all over root 5 minus root 15, bracket close, multiply by root 5 plus root 15, bracket close. So we can now simplify this further. So that will be 9 into brackets root 5 plus root 15. We can't really break down root 15. It's going to be root 3 times root 5. So there's nothing much we can do for the numerator. We leave that as it is. The denominator, we now need to expand out. We multiply this by this, this by this, this by this, and this by this. So that will be root 5 multiplied by root 5, then root 5 multiplied by root 15 plus root 5 multiplied by root 15, then minus root 15 multiplied by root 5. So minus root 15 multiplied by root 5, and minus root 15 multiplied by plus root 15. So minus root 15 multiplied by root 15. So we simplify further. Still write the numerator as it is. There's nothing much you can do about the numerator. So the denominator will start to expand. Root 5 times root 5, that's root 25. Then root 5 times root 15, that will be plus root 75. Minus root 5 times root 5, that will be minus root 75. Minus root 15 times root 15, that will be minus root 225. So to simplify further, that will be 9 into root 5 plus root 15 all over. So the square root of 25 is 5. Plus root 75 minus root 75 will be 0, plus 0. And square root of 225 is 15, so minus 15. So our final answer will be 9 into brackets root of 5 root 15 all over minus 10. So that is the final answer. Let's look at one more example. Example 3. So we're given this expression. So the conjugate will be of this denominator will be 1 plus root 3. So we multiply each by 1 plus root 3. That's the numerator by 1 plus root 3 and the denominator by 1 plus root 3. So here we multiply this way. This multiplied by this. 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 Multiplied by this. So that's the way we'll solve it. So let's start. 6 multiplied by 1, that's 6. 6 multiplied by root 3, that will be plus 6 root 3. We always want to write the whole number first. Then plus 2 root 3 multiplied by 1, that will be plus 2 root 3. Then plus 2 root 3 multiplied by root 3, that will be plus 2 root 3 times root 3, root 9. So plus 2 root 9. That's the numerator. Then the denominator 1 multiplied by 1, that's 1. 1 multiplied by root 3, that's plus root 3. Minus root 3 multiplied by 1, that's minus root 3. Minus root 3 multiplied by plus root 3, that is minus root 9. Then we simplify further. That will be 6, the numerator first. So we have similar radicand here, root 3, so we can add the whole numbers. 6 plus 2, that's 8. So that's plus 8 root 3. Then root of 9 is 3. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus 6 divided by 1. So root 3 minus root 3, they're similar radicand, so they can subtract each other. That's 0. Then root of 9 is 3, so that's minus 3. So we can write this as 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 plus 8 root 3 all over 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So we can simplify further by rewriting by saying 12 divided by minus 2 plus 8 root 3 divided by minus 2. So that's what it means. So 2 will go here 1, 2 will go here 6. So I have minus 6 left there. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So we'll write it as minus 6 minus 4 root 3. You don't want to forget the minus signs below the 2. So this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel and hope to see you in the next class. Thank you.